Unmute, share screen, share screen. All right. So yeah, let's talk about it. So let me just bring up some text to write in. And get rid of this sound. All right. So let's see if there's some way to get this stuff out of the way. All right. So if I have 1101, the digits go like this. This digit is the number of ones. This is the number of twos. That's the number of fours. And that's the number of eights.
Why is that the number of ones, twos?
Because I'm using base 2. If this was base 10, this would be ones, that would be tens, and this would be hundreds. That's what we're used to. If it's base 2, you just double every time. So this is the number of ones, this is the number of twos, this is the number of fours, and that's the number of eights. Because every time you go to the left, you double the significance. So you've been doing this all along. If I write 443,
Base 2 at 11, 1, 11. Or base 10.
Yeah, if it was base 10, see, if the 443 is base 10, you know that this 3 is ones, this 4 is tens, and this 4 is hundreds. So in base 2, you don't have tens or hundreds, you have 2 is all you have. So instead of multiplying each one by 10 to get the significance, you multiply it by 2. So you have ones, the one to the left is twice as big, and the one to the left is twice as big, and the next one is twice as big again. 4 is twice 8, or 8 is twice 4. That's how it works. Don't look very...
Okay, so you just multiply by 2
to get the significance, yep. And then you add the ones. So you have 1 8, 1 4, 0 2s, and 1 1. So it is 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is 13. And if you do this one here, the biggest one, you have a 1, a 2, a 4, and an 8. So that's 15. Okay? Any other questions? Let's see if you can do it with the glorious Kahoot. So, I got Kahoots someplace. Let's get this out of my way. Here's Kahoots. And there should be nibbles. All right. So, it's loading. Classic is good. And I've got all the right options. You can play the glorious Kahoot music. All right. So, join that Kahoot. We'll see if you can do your nibbles. Got 13 players. Last time it got up to 25 or 30, I think. So, we'll see how many people have not fallen asleep yet. All right, I'll wait maybe another 10 seconds. What a funny names. I can't nibble. There you go. That's... Well, we're going to see. This guy might win. All right, so let's give it a shot. All right. 8 questions. Well, maybe let's see. I forget how many I wrote. Okay. This 0B means binary, so it's 0011. What's that in base 10? All right, so it's 3, 1 1, 1 1, and a 2 is 3. Good. Chan the man is up there. I can't nibble is not winning. Okay, so, all right. What's 1 1 1 1? Oh, there's the game pin. Okay, good. All right. So it is 15, the largest possible nibble. Good. All right. How about this one? 10 10. Let's get rid of that nonsense. Okay. All right, it's 10 because it's 8 plus 2. Good. A popular answer. All right. What's 7 in base 2? All right, 111 is 7. Popular answer, good. How about 6? All right, 110, good. You folks seem to know your nibbles. How about 14? All right, 1110, good. All right. 1001 in decimal. All right, and that is 9. All right, and are there more? There's one more. What's 12 in binary? 12 is base 10. All right, and that's it. 1100, 8 plus 4 plus nothing else. All right, so here's the winners, which I think are the same 3 people. No, E is different. So I'll record the winners, which is Chan the Man, Davy Baby, and E. All right, and I just want to do one more of these Kahoots. That's enough for today, which is the stuff that goes for those IP addresses and such. I can leave from this and go to this one here. It's the one that has to do with the IP addresses you've done. My options look good. Okay. There will be a number coming up. There you go, 205, 266. There they come, good. Yeah, I can't nibble. Did not win the last one, so maybe it's true. But, all right. All right, I guess I'll wait another 5 or 6 seconds to see if we got more. All right, looks like that's it. Okay, 6 questions. What protocol sends echo requests? All right, ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. All right, not TCP. All right, which one is a Class A address? All right, it's that one. This one here is not valid. You can't have 5 numbers, only 4. So this is the Class A address, one starting with 2. All right. What's the network part of that address? That's the City College web server address. That's it. 147, 144, most popular answer. The /16 tells you that it's in agreement with the class B that it should be. First 2 bytes are the network portion.
Oh, it's still going.
All right. How many bits does it take to encode 4 letters in ASCII? I might skip the next one because we didn't get this far.
64.
All right. And you're right. ASCII uses 8 bits, 1 byte for every character, which I don't think I mentioned in lecture, but a lot of you knew it. So the right answer is 32, 8 bits per byte. Now, the next one I think is base 64, which I'm going to skip if it is. Yeah, let's skip this one for now because I didn't get that far in the lecture. Let's see what the next one is. How about this one? How many bits in that hexadecimal value? This is also a little bit cruel, but I'll let it stand for tonight. Yeah. That's why this stuff is extra credit. There are some defects in my system. Anyway, I'm going to cover hex more, but again, this is 32. Each one of these is remembered, these hex values. This is 4 bits, and 4 times 4 is, wait a minute, 16. Uh-oh. Well, that's another defect. That's 16 is the right answer, and oh, 16 is the right answer. Oh, good, thank you. Good. So the grading on the online thing is just my mind that's not correct. Okay, good. So this is more or less reasonable. So Benham, E, and Davy Baby. All right. So those are the winners. You'll have to tell me who you are. And I think that's enough for one night. If you want to work on projects, I'll be in the hacking lab as soon as I get cleaned up here to help you. And there's a guest speaker next week. There won't be a normal lecture. You do the chapter 2 quiz next week in project 1. And that's it for tonight, except for anybody who wants help. I'll be in the lab. 1, the Kahoot. Come up and tell me who you are to get your points. I'm going to stop the share.